natural disaster is the result of a natural hazard, a physical event such as a volcanic eruption, typhoon, tropical cyclone, tornado, earthquake, landslide, or tsunami, combined with human activity. A natural disaster is a major adverse event caused by natural earth processes, such as floods, hurricanes, tornadoes, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tsunamis, and other geologic processes. It can result in loss of life or property damage, as well as economic damage, the severity of which is determined by the affected population's resilience or ability to recover, as well as the infrastructure available. Weather is the primary cause of most natural disasters. Hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, tsunamis, thunderstorms, windstorms, wildfires, avalanches, and blizzards can all cause weather disasters. Some weather disasters, such as hurricanes and blizzards, can be predicted. Tornado and severe thunderstorm prediction technology is improving. People can be warned to seek shelter or make other necessary preparations if data is obtained early. Natural disasters caused by volcanoes and earthquakes, on the other hand, are not always predictable. Some disasters strike more frequently in some areas than others. When deciding where to live, people should consider whether they will be living on an earthquake fault line or near a river that has a history of flooding. Natural disasters cannot be avoided, but if people know what types of disasters are most likely where they live, they can learn what to do if a disaster occurs in order to stay safe. Geological natural disasters such as earthquakes and volcanic eruptions are caused by activity in the Earth's inner cores. Gravity also has an impact on the landscape, causing landslides, rock falls, debris flows, or avalanches as rock, mud, or snow masses slide down the slope. Geological hazards are potential disasters because they affect the foundations of structures such as buildings, homes, and roads and bridges. The consequences of geological hazards vary. Geological disasters occur more frequently in areas above seismic zones, such as the Pacific Ring of Fire. Volcanic eruptions and earthquakes frequently result in tsunamis, land and rock slides, avalanches, and sometimes sinkholes. Countries above inactive seismic zones may still face geological hazards when massive landforms, such as rock slides and landslides, lose their grip. While most geological disasters are caused by natural occurrences, human activity can also cause them. Carving mountains for road construction compromises the soil stability provided by rocks and trees. Mining also causes geologic disasters when mountains and caves collapse due to improper use of mining explosives and failure to maintain the integrity of the mining shaft. Hydrological disasters are violent, abrupt, and harmful changes in the quality of Earth's water or in the movement of water ashore beneath the surface or in the atmosphere. Climate change, demographic trends, land displacement, and other factors are all linked to hydrological hazards and their consequences, which may have been exacerbated by global climate change. On land, this type of disaster occurs as a result of floods or slides. These disasters occur as a result of the intensity and duration of rainfall, temperatures, snow cover, geological makeup, and topography. The village of Mawsynram in the Indian state of Meghalaya receives the most rainfall on the planet. This village receives 467 inches of rain per year on average, resulting in constant flooding and the risk of landslides. Hydrological hazards are the most common in our vast oceans. Ships and water vessels are subjected to massive waves and storms above the water. Tsunamis are caused by geological displacements below, which destroy the coastlines they reach. The most recent underwater volcano eruption in Tonga caused not only heavy ash fall, the release of poisonous gas, and radiation, but also a massive series of tsunamis that affected Tonga, Japan, and other neighboring countries. Extreme weather, such as heavy rain, severe drought, heavy snowfall, extreme heat or cold, ice, or wind, causes meteorological disasters. Changes to the environment that are violent, sudden, and destructive frequently result in disasters that are beyond the control of humans. These occurrences occur all over the world. Tornadoes, hurricanes/typhoons/cyclones, thunderstorms, hailstorms, heat waves, and droughts are the most common meteorological disasters. The tri-state tornado, the deadliest single tornado in U.S. history, killed 747 people on March 18, 1925, as it crossed Missouri, southern Illinois, and southwestern Indiana. Tornadoes are frequently formed as a result of severe thunderstorms in warm, moist, unstable air along and ahead of cold fronts. Hailstorms form when raindrops freeze together in the cold upper regions of thunderstorm clouds and fall to the ground. Hailstones can be fatal in severe cases. India experienced its worst hailstorm on April 30, 1988, killing 246 people with hailstones the size of goose eggs and cricket balls. Cyclones are wind storms with heavy rainfall that occur in low-pressure areas as a result of a continuous process of rising hot air over the ocean surface. Cyclones are known as typhoons or hurricanes in other parts of the world. Typhoon Tip, whirling in the Philippines, was the most powerful tropical cyclone ever recorded. Extreme heat causes two major disasters, heat waves and droughts. Both natural occurrences have a negative impact on all living things by depleting water resources and causing heat stroke in humans and animals.